The COVID-19 pandemic is raging across India. The country has recorded its biggest single-day spike in 4 months with close to 47,000 new infections. Even as India continues to expand its vaccine drive, the question remains that is India on the brink of another COVID-19 wave. Now, India has recorded 46,951 new coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, the highest tally in over 4 months. The country has also reported 212 fatalities, with the maximum number of casualties in Maharashtra. On the other hand, India's vaccination drive has been steadily expanding. Over 45 million vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far since the pandemic began. India has confirmed over 11 million cases and over 159,000 deaths. The country has also recorded the second highest number of COVID-19 infections in the world after the United States. And the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine has been found to be 79% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID in a large-scale trial conducted across the United States, Chile and Peru. Now, the results have paved way for AstraZeneca to apply for US approval in a trial conducted by AstraZeneca. The COVID vaccine was found to be 79% effective against symptomatic cases and 100% effective against asymptomatic coronavirus. Now, the phase 3 study involved 32,000 volunteers across all age groups. The participants received either 2 standard doses of Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine or a placebo vaccine at a 4-week interval. Now, the trial results come as a major boost to the embattled vaccine, whose use was suspended by several European countries over safety concerns. There have been suspected links between the doses and blood clots in the recipients. AstraZeneca says that an independent study during the US trial showed that its vaccine did not increase the risk of blood clots. Earlier, the World Health Organization backed the vaccine, saying that its benefits outweighed its risks. But though the AstraZeneca vaccine might have been approved by the European regulator and suspensions against its use lifted across major EU nations, the damage has been done and public confidence on this vaccine is at an all-time low now. A new opinion poll by YouGov has shown that fewer Europeans trust the AstraZeneca vaccine after several countries reported side effects such as blood clots. The opinion poll found that an increased number of French, German, Italian and Spanish adults said that they considered the AstraZeneca jab unsafe, although their faith in other vaccines like that of Pfizer Inc. and Moderna remain ineffective. Now, 61% of French adults surveyed said that the vaccine was unsafe, a rise of 18 percentage points compared to February. Just over half of German adults surveyed said they thought the vaccine was unsafe, while 43% of Italians also had serious doubts about the jab. Only in Britain was the trust in the vaccine still stable. While the European Medicines Agency has investigated reports of unusual blood disorders in recipients of the vaccine, it said last week that the benefits outweigh the risks and continues its to recommend its use. Now, this was the latest setback in the bloc's rollout of the vaccine that has been plagued by delays. As EU nations face a third wave of infections, health experts have criticized EU leaders for poor communication and said that AstraZeneca vaccine is in fact safe. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.